understanding the freezer door components of a twin barrel ice cream machine. Freezer door, of which there are 3 holes for each side and a central twist, 3 handles, handle pin, seals and drawer valves. You will notice there are 3 drawer valves, one different to the other 2. The different one, which has a different type of seal on it, goes in the centre. Okay, assembling the freezer door. Seals pushed in nice and straight into the recess. Make sure the hole is going straight out because that's where the handle goes. 1, 2, and the centre one, which has a different type of seal, to the centre. Place all 3 handles if you find that it's not exactly lined up, just straighten the hole and then the handle will fit in. And then you just need to line up the pin to run through all 3 handles so that it comes out the other side, and then the handles are assembled. Freezer door goes straight on to the screws, and then the nuts are put on. Try and do the nuts diagonally, so that one on one corner and one on the other first, and then the opposite.